Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com, news on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. This podcast was sponsored by cryptocurrency payment technology Flip, a creation of FitPay Inc., a leading provider of cutting-edge payment technology and a subsidiary of NextID, traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NXTD. NextID is a provider of healthcare devices as well as payment credential management and authentication platform services. Learn more about how to order Flip at fliptopay.com. And Crypto Corner is also sponsored by Genesis Blockchain Technologies, or GBT. GBT is a powerful cryptocurrency centralized-decentralized exchange, which will include a broad range of services and benefits from cryptocurrency and blockchain markets development, while avoiding complications and risks arising from cryptocurrency ownership, transfer, and exchange. You can download the Genesis Exchange and Wallet app at Google Play and on the Apple App Store. Learn more at www.mygenesis.io. Hey folks, this is Sam Mowers, your host for Crypto Corner. To open this week, we'll talk about the crypto comeback seen over the weekend that may have been stalled by a drop in the Dow this morning. Then we'll look at Facebook's establishment of a fintech company in Switzerland, the European Central Bank's comments on crypto, and the world's first blockchain-based stock exchange. So just before the weekend, we observed a sudden drop in the crypto market, with Bitcoin falling as low as $7,050 on Friday, and the total crypto market cap sunk to about $220 billion US, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Over the course of the weekend, however, Bitcoin has made a significant recovery and is currently trading for $7,770. Total market capitalization is currently sitting at $241 billion. This crypto recovery peaked yesterday, but has since fallen a bit alongside a drop in the Dow this morning. Reuters reports that Facebook, which is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FB, has formed a new blockchain-based fintech company in Switzerland called Libra Networks. The company, which was registered on May 2nd in Geneva, will focus on, quote, investing, payments, financing, identity management, analytics, big data, blockchain, and other technologies, end quote. And in the neighborhood of Switzerland, the European Central Bank issued a report on Friday in which it claims that cryptocurrencies do not represent a threat to the stability of finance in Europe. Quoting from the report, crypto assets currently do not pose a material risk to financial stability in the euro area. Their combined value is small relative to the financial system. The sector nevertheless requires continuous careful monitoring as market developments are dynamic and linkages to the wider financial sector may increase to more significant levels in the future, end quote. And Ethereum-based stock exchange Sprinkle Exchange expects to list its first company in June, according to a report from Bloomberg. Based in Bahrain, Sprinkle Exchange uses the Ethereum blockchain for settlement and clearing. It is the first licensed IPO platform in the world built on blockchain technology, and it targets companies with a market cap of between $20 million to $200 million for listing. The company's CEO, Alexander Wallen, told Bloomberg in a phone interview, quote, "We have the luxury of being first with this, but we're aware that it will become a crowded market. It's like moving from VHS to streaming. Netflix did it nicely and was first, but now there are lots of streaming sites," end quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. For disclosure purposes, Next ID is a PR news and social media featured company on InvestorIdeas.com.